Refrigerator is good and I loved it, but only problem is transportation. When we opened it on right side we saw dent. Felt sad for that. Other than this, all fine in Amazon. Damage received. I purchased it at 23,990 rupees. Excellent cooling and silent operation. Main drawback is its less vegetable storage capacity and big upper compartment for cold storage. At least everything is perfect. Perfect for my requirements. Cooling is very nice. Build quality is very good, promptly delivered. Box packing is okay, not much satisfied. Great product. This is 5 feet tall ref. Without any stand. The delivery was on time and the demo and installation guy was nice. Good product. Freezer don't have light. Got product without any damage. This review is about 1 month usage. Low noise. If you want freezer usage mode, then blindly go for it. Else LG also launched dual fridge for you. Good, we purchased this product 5 years back. Up to now we do not have faced any problems. We purchased this one in LG showroom. Good fridge in budget. But LG service team damaged my fridge. I am satisfied with this product and recommend to buy all of them. Awesome with great discount, love it. On time delivery and installation within a day. Value for money. It's beautiful too. It's good fridge and value of money. Thank you LG. Silent and energy efficient. Nice look. Handle may be placed in hidden manner. Easy installation within a day on free of cost. Early safe delivery. Less sound operation. Good offer. Thanks A to Z on. Very nice product. Thanks Amazon for such a great deal and great refrigerator too. This LG refrigerator is by far the best double door refrigerator among all the brands. Don't think so much before buying this. Thanks. Really good product on Amazon, quality good, nice refrigerator and best service. Nice product. Got it for 19,500 during the Diwali lightning deal. Same product was available in market for 26,000. So it was a good deal. LG charges 500 for installation, which is not required. Only have to open box and plug in. Worth buy. Super. Good product, simple and long lasting. Good product. Click link in description for more reviews.